No, the weekend's been good. It's good to see the diverse of the businesses, and in the end it's all pretty much the same. You've got to get a good website, and actually I'm not going to tell you much more because that's JD's tricks. So.
It's been incredible. I've had so many ideas that have come out of all directions, and I'm going away with clear ideas of what I want to do and how I want to implement things.
We've got lots of ideas, lots of things we can go away and implement in our business to increase our incomes, and that's what it's all about.
The reinforcement of all the ideas that you get, and especially talking to the others in the room, it's just priceless. Talking to all the other business owners in the room has been incredible, because we all share similar problems, and the networking gives you the opportunity to create even more ideas.
Yeah, it's been fantastic. It's called WOW, and it certainly is full of wow. It's been a hell of a lot of fun and some great ideas to put into the business.
Really enjoyed it. Great group, lots of interesting things. Thank you.
It's good to follow a plan and you know that it's going to work.
Definitely inspiring, giving me lots of energy and enthusiasm. Can't wait to get started.
It's been awesome. Remind you to stay disciplined and follow the system, and the system works.
Best thing about it's allowed me to focus on exactly what I need to do Monday morning at my business.
It's been full of wows. Learnt so much, and already looking forward to implementing the knowledge we've taken away.
Really learnt how to follow the system and take our business to the next level, so we're excited to get back on Monday.